In this tutorial we are going to see one of the main features of Zoom, the breakout rooms. Breakout rooms are an important feature of Zoom. It is important for teaching large groups of people. It is useful when there is more people. You can divide these peoples into groups. And since you're the host, you can move from team to team and bring them back together. Now let's see how to set this up. First of all, you could open up your web browser and then make sure that you are logged into your Zoom account. Now, if you want to get quick access to this from the application itself, you can do that as well. You can simply click on the Call Grill option in the top right corner, and then find the button that says, View More Settings. This will take you directly to that website, and you can use the settings from there. Now back onto this website, you would want to find the button that says, Setting, on the left-hand side. Go ahead, click on the Settings button. Now look for the In Meeting Settings, which is particularly the Advanced Meetings Settings. Go ahead and click onto that Advanced Meeting Settings. Your first option will be to activate the breakout room. So we can click onto In Meetings Advanced, and then we are going to switch on to our breakout rooms. We are also going to allow the host to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling a meeting. Since we have activated this, now we will be able to use the breakout rooms. Let us see how it is done. Let's start a new meeting. Since in this tutorial, I am not using video, so there won't be display of myself. Just consider that we are starting up the meeting. And you will notice that there are no other participants in this room, but I can still show you how to break out rooms. At the bottom you will notice an option as Breakout Rooms. Go ahead and click onto that option. Here you can have Zoom automatically assign people into breakout rooms, or you can do it manually. If you choose automatically, you can still change it afterwards. But I am going to choose automatically since there are no participants per room, because I am the only one present. Now go ahead and click onto that Create Room option. Here you will get the overview of breakout room. You can also rearrange your participant and can add room manually. You can also rename them, delete them, or you can assign the participants to this room. This allows you to create multiple rooms for your team to work together. Now once you have made this room, all you have to do is click on the Open All Rooms, and your participants will be sent to the breakout rooms. This is very important in classroom, where people can be grouped together for meeting. There are also some options that Zoom provides for different tasks to be performed for the meetings. We can move all participants into breakout rooms automatically. We don't have to do it manually. You can allow the participants to return to the main session at any time. Or you can just let them be in that particular room for certain interval that you have set. You can also automatically close that breakout room in a given time. You can set your timing from here. You can also notify yourself when the time is up. You can also have the countdown after closing the breakout room. Let's cancel this for time being because I want to show something very important task that can be performed with regards to the breakout rooms. Now let's see how to assign people into breakout rooms before the meeting takes place. End the previous meeting and then dive into the web interface. Now let's consider that we are scheduling a meeting. Click onto that option. There will be a default settings by itself. You can set your own time for the meeting. Let's just schedule a meeting for 45 minutes. Now scroll down, and as the settings have been turned on, we can have an extra option down here. And that is Breakout Room Pre-Assign. With this we will be able to pre-assign the people before the meeting starts. Go ahead and click onto this option. Now I can create my own breakout room for my participants before the meeting starts. Thank you for watching this tutorial.